Hey everyone, Daniel Kaiser here in beautiful Montreal talking about the science of games. I've got Ivan now from Thwack to talk about advanced shield technology, specifically in that of Halo 4. We've seen shields throughout the history of video games, but in Halo 4, they're portrayed as something that is instantaneously available to protect the end users. So talk about where our current shield technology is and what it's going to take to get to that point.
Well, unfortunately for the Halo fans, that kind of shielding is not very realistic. The concept that they use in the Halo series and now with the Master Chief in Halo 4 is that shields are made of hard light, solid light. It's kind of a way of transforming light energy in something solid, where bullets or other kinds of energy can't pass through. That's not very real in the way they stand. There's a huge problem trying to generate shields. First, trying to use energy to protect something from physical things, it's kind of hard. Trying to devise a way to do that would be a major breakthrough. There is no way, as far as I know, that we can use energy to protect something, there, for example, a bullet coming in. The closest thing we can think about it in the science side is something called an optical lattice. An optical lattice is something that you just cross two beams of laser with the right frequencies in the right positions, and you put really ultra cold atoms in the middle, and they can stay there. You kind of create a lattice made of laser with atoms in it. You're trapping the atoms in that stream of lasers, in that lattice of lasers. That is the closest thing we can think about it in the sense of hard light. You can try to do that, for example, if you have a mass coming through your direction and you have this mass with charge, you can try to use really powerful magnetic fields to deflect that. But you're going to have to use a lot of energy to just deflect that, and it has to be something made of metal, for example, where we can induce a current and then deflect that bullet. If the energy is coming your way, just use another energy to try to do that without interaction with them. This is really hard. So unfortunately, I don't think we're going to be closer to that kind of stuff like the rear shield that Master Chief uses in Halo 4. We're a long way away from that.
All right, well, until then, we'll continue to enjoy it in our video games. Thanks so much for your time and your information. For the latest on science of video games, you can head online to GameTrailers.com.